kujoinidza kamira murume wangu pandakamuchengeta kubheriwa school fees pandakabatsirwa nokubheriwa saka iwo ungada kukangana bheriwa ichakunetsa tizi noiziiwe ende semabhuku
ipi iwe unokunza kuti ndakangana nezvibheriwa shamwari handiri kuwakandijoinisa ndasaona vana vangu vatopedza zvikuru vava kutora madhigiri chidiki chiya chakasiwa nababa vangu handiti chinokonechi
chiyachairwaruvara
izvo ukamona mari vari kudenga ko shamwari
iwe tizi noizi kandakuudza kuti endese mabhuku mwana unozvenaiwe kitiwaara mabhuku iwe
vana venyu hamakaishemweba
mapirisi
shamwari
yodiko
sedano mapirisi noautingamuregera chita zvakadai
chimiraunzi pandakamuzvara ropa kashaike baba wake ndechimwe mapirisi nezviya zvaunoziva zvirwerezvi hazvichatyisizvo hazvityisi tarisa masimbiro andakaita nganungazvendiwo chirwere
zvapana asi ndongore rangu kuti chiri ari mwana wako yeyu haungamufa ngumushemwesa
aiwa ini handikada kidi iwe ndamukurwa futi manje manje
agona kudzikama mwana wako tsoura mwana wako inoti ramangwana wazi kuti mwana wako ndaaripi
aiwa ari raitu
aiwa inini handisi kuti kudi hangu ka ini yaindikotaura ndiri kuti musanyira kushemwesa mwana
Ndakazware mwana wangu kiti maresi yakapera handisina mari yekuendesa kana kuchikoro
kuti vana vangu rakune handinokavapa dhishi here
ndakapa dhishi but mari havasi kundipaka
saka uri kundiudza kuti kutusira wakangomirira iye wokugara naye
aiwa mirashi ini ndakatoudzwa kuti munhu waunope mvura ndiye anokuchengeta
mukore unorega ndikutaurire shamwari mukore unawo sokusera uchambomirira varume ava shamwari sisine maoko edu shamwari ngatizvimiririre seakadzi aivanazorachamira mukore uno uchizwa uri chirikadzi muri muoko kafa iye hatina basa navo vakutongofunga mhuri yake
mira unzwa inini vana vangu vanitaura kuti vochengeterwa nababukuru neundiwa ndakape mvura
iwe
pandakafira
davo varimwe munhu shamwari izvezvi tatoona kuti tiita zvipi ini ndataona nini vana vangu vakutokura ine ndakakumbira vana baba munini vanani ndikakutaura kuti kubva zvafa vana baba vevana vaya kana one akadai kana umwe zvakaanombozvifunga kana tindiudza kuti denda akasara ndakamirira ivavo vana havazosvika kumayunivhesiti ine ndakaona rugoto rwangu
ndakasumbozvifunga
iwawo
Toko. And to my surprise, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, baby, no good.
No pengerewe.
Usadaruka.
We are workmates. Once you are my boss. No, I can't do this.
Usadaruka.
Ashtomboitago.
Uzanimanakira
No pengerewe. Antombodikana kukuona shtomba zvakopa napo.
Usadaru.
Antombida zvotombotaura newe.
Akeli shamwana.
Ndokuudza usatotaura newe.
Nemafambira ndaitaiwo. Azvakaona. Keni sha.
Uchiri panapa. Anokushedzera iwa mai.
Iyo.
Manangu, uchiri kudya? We are late, guys. Let's go. I'm sorry, but the food is right. Keep. Mota ya mama wako ili aisipita zvakanaka, so ndokera unodropa mama wako basi. Okay, it's fine. You know what I'll do? Mama ndo vanogona ndidropa inini kuchikoro. Then I can drop on school. I'll use my friend's car. No, it's okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go, kid.
It's okay.
Oh, it started. Hey, let's go.
Hey,
come on, come on.
This one is June Sha. Ona listen. June Sha. Nanichiru with Sha.
Aziri
Are you crazy? You nearly broke my phone. Are you crazy? Are you out of your senses? Every time you're after me. What is it all about?
Is it a problem to tell you that I love you, Vic?
You do what?
Is it a problem?
You do what?
Is it
Don't
a problem?
Don't
I love you.
You love me?
Yes, I love
Look at yourself. From head to toe. Look at yourself. Do you think you're man enough for me? Do you think you're... Hey, let me tell you something. I've got my boyfriend.
Girl, listen to me. Listen to me. Why can't you just give me the chance to show you how much I care?
Stop it.
Vic,
Stop it. Or else you're looking for something.
what?
You're paving a way for something. I'm warning you. This is my last time.
I love
I
you.
don't love you.
You know
I
that
don't
I
have
love
feelings for you. I don't.
I will create those feelings on my
Will
own.
you?
Yes, I'll do that.
That will be over
I
my
will
dead.
definitely do that.
That will be over my daddy, but I don't love you. I've got my boyfriend.
Are
And
you serious?
Yeah, I'm
Are
telling
you serious? Oh my God, we shall see.
Leave me alone.
I love you.
My sweetheart,
Hi, darling.
how are you doing?
I'm good, and you?
You came the right time. Baby, look at my hair.
Oh, I can see it. So, what
You
are
know,
you doing?
that best friend of mine, you still remember him?
Yeah.
He's having a birthday this weekend.
Wow.
And there's no way I can go like this.
No, you need to make up your hair. Like
Yeah.
tomorrow. Yeah, like tomorrow. Don't worry.
So-
Man is not a stress. I'm your sugar.
I know you,
I'm
that's why I
sweet.
love you.
Ah.
You're such a darling.
Yeah, welcome, my darling.
Mm.
This is enough, isn't it?
Baby.
Oh, that's my baby.
Wow. Thank you so much.
my darling.
That's why I love you.
You're my darling.
Thank you so much. So tomorrow, you are going to take me to the best hair salon in town.
Yeah. You know that.
Yes, yes.
Not so that you can do your face
Okay.
cue, your body cue, your nail cue, so that you can look like an angel.
Okay, thank you so much, my baby. Let me prepare something in the kitchen.
Oh wow, that's great.
Okay,
I'm
I'll be back in a
starving.
moment.
I'm starving.
Okay.
Look at you.
I bet this is a good one. It's a good one.
But why is it to that you always wanna share my stories so that I saw teaching?
That's why I love him. You know he's fine.
But Mama Tapu said, okay, guys, along with
Okay, it's fine.
Heavenly God, we thank you for this delicious meal that you're going to help. Father, we bless it in Jesus' mighty name. Amen.
Amen.
Lovely.
Thanks, honey.
Oh, that's dead. Who is saving us?
You're daddy. You're daddy. Why? You know, I could have known you were not here to help me. It's a weekend today. You know, you should be there on my side.
Wait.
Right, guys, enough of this. You know what? You two guys.
But kids,
Yes,
that's the rule in this house.
Daddy.
I cook.
Always. Mama Katibikirao, as a man, you have to teach me
It's okay, son.
to support my wife. So I have to see it. Support my mama.
Yeah, that's a good one.
That's it, Mom. I'm already helping you. You know what, guys? This whole issue it reminds me of something. I can't remember which paper now. Oh my God. Okay, let me just share with you the story. You know what, Mom and Dad? Panenya impress my baba sina mwana for a long time. Then these guys, I don't know what really happened. Baba got divorced. Then they got divorced. Baba ka adopta mwana. Mwana banga ka adopta. Ongo uzwane dzimwe hama. Zisina kana basa. Kutaka adopta. He's not the real son. All my parents here. The radio. Why is it? How come someone could keep a secret like that? Then someone who is not supposed to tell.
Yeah, so
That's why my secret. You know my secret in my family is. Anyway, maybe it's very chicken. Guys, who is dishing the food?
You're daddy.
Anyway.
Monday class. Yeah. You are here to learn into this song.
That's it. I know. That's too much effort. I know.
And these assignments are going to make them a group of threes. So it's either 2 boys and 1 girl or 2 girls and 1 boy. So you can group yourself into threes. Why are you always complaining everything? Why is this not that manners? I'm going to do this my way. Okay. Part 1, I'm going to do it 3 there, 3 there. Keep weight, then over the side. Marianne, come and sit here. And you have to come this side. When you're going to sit over there, are going to lay.
I don't know if she's romance.
Yeah, group 1, group 2, group 3.
Yes, Kelly.
Morning, doctor. How are you?
I'm okay. How's your day?
I'm fine.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So how can I help you today?
I need your signature.
Anything for you, baby.
Yeah.
Signature. This is she.
My papers are very important for the Marari. So signature in your trouble and please.
So that's the work you did also and did it. Those are which one one because not.
Hey, doctor.
I want to name one.
Doctor, sure.
Zeshu no.
Ah,
Zeshu on to no. Na sindri pesa ndo wana bataka ndi wani na.
Doctor, just a
Ma
signature.
paper ya, ma paper isa kaonda ya ndo twani na. That's why ma paper isa. Kanopinga. Uyafuta zitsika kambe mu.
Listen to your assignment. You are group 1. And your topic for the presentation is what, write down.
Okay.
What is application software? Group 2, yeah, group 2. Go and research on the functions of a CPU.
The central processing unit.
Okay, then group 3, I want you to go and find the differences between ROM and RAM. I want minimum of 10 differences between ROM and RAM. And I'm warning you, I want this work by Monday morning group 1 we are starting with. This assignment I need it on Monday morning. No explanation. No explanation. I've given you 4 days to go and research, so I don't need any. Let's call it a day, and I want my work on Monday morning.
This one it says what is a computer. I hope you know, an electronic device which is capable of accepting data and giving out the required information. Like, right, I need to know the types of
CPU.
The CPU, the central processing unit. It's something that we have to learn or to research on. The processor. So types of processor. Hey, what is it? Nothing.
Yeah.
Okay. Types of processor. No, these ones are not. Hey, why can't you stop what you're doing?
Why?
We have to focus on school. Why are you doing that?
Do you have feelings?
I have feelings. But we shouldn't do this. Please, let's focus on school things. Please, let's focus on school things. Serious? Wait. Why are you doing this? Listen.
I'm not feeling it.
I am, but no, let's focus on school things.
No.
You are here because of... Serious? Let's stop this. Is that the reason why you are here?
Oh, come on.
Hey, please, wait, 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 please, stop this. Listen to me, you have to go, right? You have to go right now. You have to go, please, come on, go out, out, you have to leave. Leave my room. Hey! You wanna hurt me? Leave my room, please! Hey! Leave my room.
Hello, my sweet pie.
Sir, I'm I don't know what I... Where are you?
What? You're stuck?
Where are you?
No, I can't make it right now because I'm supposed to attend the meeting right now.
Baby, don't tell me that. You can't say.
Okay, let me see what I can do, but I think I will call a mechanic to come and attend you.
Even when you are in trouble, every love I want you. Even when you are in trouble, sugar, sugar, sugar daddy. Every love I want you. Every love I want you, even when you are in trouble. Vic! What's going on? Why are you
How
here?
are you doing?
Why are you parked here?
My car just stuck here.
What's happened to the car? Can you
I'm
open it so that I check it for you? Right? Is it okay?
I don't know what is going on.
Is it okay if I check it for you? Is it okay?
I don't mind. Did you see any problem?
No.
What is it now?
I have to open it. Let me check.
Please help me because
But you
I'm
know
confused. I don't even know what to do.
And now, you know, we have our presentation today.
Yeah, that's why I'm worried.
Don't worry. Don't be worried.
Why mustn't I? I must be worried.
Can you go inside, try to start the car? What's going on? Okay, come out. No, I've seen the problem. You know what? It's a computer box.
Don't tell me that.
Yeah, it's a computer box. You know what you have to do? Let's just close everything, close the windows. When we go for the presentation, then I'll come back, I'll fix your car.
You wanna give me a ride?
Yes.
Thank you so much. You're such a darling.
Serious?
Yeah, I haven't listened to that.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Just take you all of your things. Okay, you close well, everything.
It's okay.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for such an honor. It's something which I can't express our feelings as a school, as a team. We love you guys for giving us this opportunity.
Boys and girls, I don't have a lot to say, but what I can only say, I am happy for you guys. As a school that will be nominated to participate in the world information, communication, technology seminar in 2016, to meet with Microsoft President Bill Gates, and the person who is going to represent this school and our country is Keith White. Thank you.
Oh, I'm coming. I'm coming. Coming. What?
Because of your intelligence.
Hi, how are you? Is everything okay? Seems like there's nothing which is right. Why are you naked like this? You're naked. Look at yourself. Don't touch me. Hey, don't touch me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Hey. 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 Listen to me.
What?
Your action, it will never ever attract my feelings. Please,
Really?
get out.
Oh.
Hey, I mean it, get out!
Hey,
leave this place!
You're hitting me!
Yes, you have to leave this place now, right now! Leave this place! You don't come here with agendas. Leave this place! Come on! Leave this place!
Please!
Hey, hey! Enough is enough. Leave this place. Open the door, or I'll help you to open it.
Hey, you're hitting me.
Go, go. Hey!
Please!
Hey!
Please, just listen to me. Just listen to me.
Hey! Hey, please, may you go?
Hey!
You want me to call my mom? You want me to call my dad?
Just come out, okay?
Oh, call the principal.
Come on,
I'm calling the principal.
Do you like this one?
Yeah, this one is okay.
Really?
Just look at it.
It's because we can purchase this one over installation and it's 24 months to pay. It's quite affordable with the financial that I've budgeted so far for you. Really, do you like it?
I just like it.
Truly? Wow. So I think I'll make it a point tomorrow in the morning. I'll just message it. What? Yeah? You want to see the background of it?
Oh, God.
I like the background of it, you know. It gives me my time, by the time I can relax by myself, thinking about you. Sissy going. Sissy going told me that you're gonna visit your mom. I think it was done. So you want to tell me that you're going to start today? Or what?
Start doing it.
Yeah, but yeah, I don't pay that. Get the sort of water.
No, honey, I'm not sleeping.
Oh, so it's 3 a.m.
I'm stressed.
Stressed on. That's not a problem. I know that particular man.
Yes, I know.
Takatsidza isusu kuti mwana uyu uchava mwana wedu. Of course ndozviziva kuti takaadopta Keitanje, but takasainana pasi kuti unambozviita sei hatinzombosii Keith is our son. So don't worry.
And I hope so. I'm not arguing with Kuti Susu Takatidza Antiti.
Yeah.
What if kid knows?
No, apatomborina kana problem and I know kid hatombozozvizivi izvozvo.
I just can't imagine going
No,
there to
zvatombochaiwa. Unochaiwa. Hapana kana problem.
Okay, then it's fine.
Yeah. So mangwana maybe.
Baby, you know what? This is your favorite meal?
One.
It is your
Just
favorite
one,
meal.
please. Just do me a favor.
Serious?
Just one.
Oh my god.
Come on.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh.
Baby. Why are you doing this to me? Wow. That's my boy.
Wow.
Just like it.
Hey, just nice.
Another one. Another one.
No, baby. You know what, baby?
This one is mine. Yeah.
Before I forgot,
What is it?
I've got good news for you.
Wow.
Right, listen to this.
What is this?
I'm thinking of something. Is it okay if I introduce you to my parents?
Honey. Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious, baby. I'm serious.
To your parents. Late now?
Yes. Are you ready?
Wait now, babe. Wait, just let us put our relationship aside.
No, baby, you know what?
Baby, it's too early for
But
us to do that.
this is the only opportunity that I have. I should express what I have for you. Is it?
I didn't know that you love me. I have to introduce you to one of my sisters. Or my aunt. Maybe from there you can take a step ahead. I know you understand. I love it.
Your phone.
Hello?
Hi, baby.
Hello?
How are you, my love? Yeah,
I'm busy for now.
What?
I'm busy.
What?
Don't you hear me? I'm busy. Hey, come on. I'll get back to you.
Okay.
Come on.
She doesn't know who she is dealing with. So she's not playing with my mind. Because I'll kill her.
Is everything okay, honey?
Don't worry, sweetheart. Everything is okay.
Who is calling you? What kind of a friend is he, baby? Come on, tell
Oh,
me.
you know, she's just asking for the assignment.
I don't like the way you reply the guy you go.
Honey.
Okay,
Since when did you behave like this? Just a friend.
So you mean everything is okay?
Everything is okay. What were you talking of?
Okay. Let's eat now. Let's eat.
You
Now
start.
is my turn.
Come
Now
on.
is my
No,
turn.
you. I want to feed you. Can. Get this one.
You know, I really enjoy that. Oh, I like the food.
Yeah, now you're here, babe.
Baby!
Baby, who's this?
What?
Baby! Hey,
How come you ask me who is this? Who are you?
What's happening?
Vicky! Vicky! What's going on?
I'm asking, who's this?
What this? Man, you don't have to ask me that. Vic! You don't have to ask me.
What's happening? You guys,
What's going on here?
what do you want here?
What's going on
What do
here?
you want here?
Vic!
Huh?
What's going on here?
Hey, young boys, what you want here? Who's here? What? Don't touch me.
Who are you calling?
Don't touch me.
Who are
Don't
you
touch
calling
me.
here for? Wait for.
Don't touch me.
Who are you calling here for?
Hey, you.
Please.
What's happening?
Hey.
Hey, kids.
Hey, please don't.
Hey, what's happening?
Hey, wait.
Please don't.
Ben, who are you calling here for?
Excuse me.
Who are you calling here for?
Please don't. Please.
Huh? You don't have the right to call me. You call me young
No,
boy.
hell, you have no reason. Excuse me.
Man, that's why you're running.
What's happening with these young boys?
Please don't. I'm
Vic.
begging you.
You.
Don't touch my wife.
Hey, your wife.
Don't touch my
You
wife.
calling your wife.
Don't touch my wife.
You calling your wife.
This is my wife.
You know what? Hey, stay away. Ben.
Hey,
me. Wait, Ben.
you can watch.
Hey,
Please.
Ben. Ben. Ben.
Please. I can explain.
You what?
I can.
Listen to me.
Oh my God. Please. I can.
What the hell do you
I
want
can
here?
explain this.
Huh?
Please.
I'm the one who's supposed to ask you that.
Oh my God. Please don't. Please don't.
This is exactly.
Don't do that.
Let me go. Hapana boy. Yes, Ruse. Yeah. Yes, it's me, yes. Yeah, I've got a job for you. Listen. I want you to go at the emergency at the hospital there. There's an ambulance, she's coming there. Yes. I want you to deal with that guy. Yeah, there's a guy who's accompanying someone there. Yes, just deal with him. No, don't worry. What is the problem? It's a good price. Yes. Yeah. I'll call you. 1, 2, 3, bam. 3. 1, 2, 3, bam. Give me set to 1, 2, 3. Me set to
Max, okay, you don't even say anything. Tell us. Nothing. Max, tell me something.
Let's open the door.
1, 2, 3, back the foot.
Max, tell me something.
I can't listen to anything now.
His heart is not beating. What's wrong? His heart is not beating. He's up. This guy is tight. Find something. Sharamba is number around here. I'm going to pay on that. I've done CPR on him, I've given adrenaline 2 mils.
Oh, Doc, can I try?
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. See one funeral.
Yes, can you help me? Thank you. Yes.
Do you think it'll work?
Yeah. Yeah, I think so. What is name? Kid.
Kid. Timekeeper, what time is it?
Kiss. 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 He's alive!
You're safe from us. Jessica, can you come up after it's okay, it's okay. Can you come to the room now after 6? After 6 for real. It's okay, it's okay. Can you come please? How are you? Yes, thank you. Please, let us go out. Thank you.
Makadi doctor.
Chibong, Magadi Wangwe.
Danda yokuzona mwana wangu
Kids white.
Yes.
All right.
Then I heard them allowed inside.
Yeah, this was so. Uyu kids hands in my parents are here. Kwanzi kuti aone kwekuzvino.
Okay.
Yeah, asi avaright zvake avanani, don't worry.
He's one of my best students, so I just wanted to check on him, how is he and how is he progressing.
Maita zvakanaka. Ari kureceive treatment and ndofunga zvinenge zviri kubuda zvakanaka.
Ngatibatsira sechikoro kana mwana akapora because I've been expecting a lot out of him.
It doesn't have a problem. Actually, you can go and see the parents and they'll give you a go ahead to come and see him.
Okay, thank you, Doc.
You're welcome, mother.
What's wrong, Mommy? Please look into that. I said, say, kiss. So good.
Yeah, sugar to that is sure.
That's true, but the sure.
Hello. Hello. How are you?
Oh, okay, how are you?
How are you?
You're fine. I'm fine.
Okay. Kids friends. Tuesday's a call.
Okay.
Yeah, just heard with Zhuzhaland.
Yeah.
But
What? How are you? You come here, you ask me. What is it now? What's wrong with you? Ouch! What is it? Now I don't want to see you here. Please. What is it?
Just go.
Please. Can you go? Can you go? Please, Mom and Dad. Mom and Dad. You don't interfere with yourself. You don't interfere, please. Please. Okay, I want to be alone. I'll see you, Mom. I'll see you, Dad. I'll see you. I love you. I love you, Dad. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Mom, I love you. I love you, Mom. Go. What's wrong? Go, guys. I'll see you. I need to rest.
There's no our change, son.
Yes, I don't
We really thank God.
Even good, that's why for Mama. I will pick up.
Sure.
I will pick up.
Do you know how much you miss you at home? Why?
Me too.
Mm.
Miss being with you.
Honestly.
Daddy,
Yes, son.
I miss you all. Miss you so.
Miss you so much, son.
Daddy, Mom, there's one thing I want you to help me.
Yeah, pick up. You don't have to thank me.
I have to.
You don't have to.
I have. You've
It's
done
my
a lot.
job. It's my
Serious?
job. Yeah.
But you know what?
What?
I think I love you.
You guys, those names are about Serero. Eh? Raba Serero.
How are you, sir? How are you, sir? Good. Fine. Good, sir. Hey, manje unaona pale wapi? No, ndazobuda zvangu.
Uda kusilima pano uda chichiwita.
Ndandine just a problem heart. Yeah, saka ndinga kaita heart failure, but now I think I'm okay. Yeah. So how is work, sir? Zvikufamba. Okay, vana mai kuri vari right. That's good. Very good.
Saka kwambura dhokodheya.
Yeah, pana ndiri kuchipatara was attending me. Achingotaura one or two things. I think I'm now okay.
What is
I'm
it?
now fit.
What is it?
I'm now fit. What's the name of that hospital? I forgot. It's just a private hospital. Yeah.
It's a private, that's it.
Yeah. Ndivaenda ndofunga meno zvava vachigumanyisa because hey, uye mune nyaya yebasa ndinoziva kuti nekurwara kwandaita.
Agara waiti agari pamba anoziva.
Yeah.
Agari pamba.
That's it. But I think now vanenge vakupinda because dzongorohwa nehana dzedeti ndinogara ndiri ndega pano. And every minute he's calling. But I'm okay. I'm now okay. Grandma, Papa, nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
All right.
Yeah.
So it's okay, so I'll see you.
Yeah. All right, that's what you're talking about.
All right.
Yeah, good guys, we're going to go sangana tem.
All right. Yeah, kwenyu kwa mosangani.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, sharp.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Where is she? I see. That young lady at the hospital. What are you doing here?
Wait, are you crazy?
I'm not crazy. But I can explain this. So you're sort of moving on. But kids, students do this. Yeah, come on.
Wait.
Excuse us. You're the one who has excuse us. Can you keep? Please. What are you doing here?
Listen. Wait, stop. Vicky.
Please, kid.
What did you
Just remember our days. Can we just recall the days?
Listen, girl.
Oh my God. Another time, just one more time.
You see now? You planned this. Why are you here?
No, listen, young man.
Why are you here? You know what you did. After all that you did to me, you just bump in.
Listen. I didn't came here for that.
Vic.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Listen.
No, you
Trying
guys.
to press up against this.
I didn't come here for that, guys.
Oh, I see.
Vic.
I see.
Vic. Are you trying to play games with me?
This is a plot. I'm sure this is a
Huh?
plot.
What is it? What is it? Tell me. Share your story. Come on. What is it? Why are you here?